Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a column design using load and resistance factor design method based on eStructural Design Tao found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete rectangular column using load and resistance factor design that carries an axial dead load of 100 kips and axial live load of 40 kips. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 3000 psi, vertical bars 5/8-inch diameter grade 40, lateral tie bars 3/8-inch diameter grade 33, steel ratio 2%. The column carries an axial dead load of 100 kips and an axial live load of 40 kips, for a factored load of 184 kips. Enumerate input parameters required. Column name C3, floor designation, ground to second, shapes and ties, rectangle, tied, unsupported height 10 feet, vertical bars 5/8-inch diameter at grade 40, steel ratio 2%, lateral tie bars 3/8-inch diameter at grade 33, strength of concrete 3000 psi, and total load 184 kips. Given factored load of 184 kips, the gross area of section is 107.26 square inches. The width of column is 8 inches and the length of column is 14 inches. Given steel ratio of 2%, width at 8 inches, length at 14 inches, the area of steel is 2.24 square inches. The number of bars for 5/8-inch diameter is 8. Follow the given computations for lateral ties. Design recommendation as follows: Fc prime equals 3000 psi, Fy equals 40,000 psi, column size is 8 inches by 14 inches by 10 feet, vertical bars of grade 40, 8 pieces 5/8-inch diameter bar, lateral ties of grade 33, 3/8-inch diameter bar 2 sets, spacing 5 at 4 inches, 4 at 6 inches, rest at 8 inches. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.